This is a video of the RF600 that I recently rebuilt. As you can see, I have a fuel line going directly into a reservoir because the gas tank that I have right now, my key does not work. I'm getting that fixed. Pretty much have the clutch fully engaged. I just set the phone down. I don't know what exactly is going on as far as the sound it goes. Like it sounds like it's not getting gas, but it's clearly sucking up gas. I just don't know what exactly is going on. It sparks. Maybe y'all can help. Alright, hopefully y'all can tell me what exactly y'all think is going on. Let me know what y'all think. Maybe I didn't do something correctly when I rebuilt the engine, but I mean the fuel pump works, everything works as far as until it starts up. Just don't know what's going on.